Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mohammad Shumal Siraj. You are watching my YouTube channel. In this video we will see that how we can simulate a mixer and a splitter in Aspen Plus. So first of all we see that what problem we are having. So it is example. It says that we are having two streams. The molar flow have been given to us. We have to find the composition and the molar flow rate of the product stream. Temperature and pressure is also given to us. So we will directly move to the Aspen Plus for the simulation. So I am having two components, that was water, so I will add my components as water and ethanol. After adding my components, I will press this next button, and the property package I am going to select is NRTL for this problem. After selecting NRTL, you can see I will press this run. So now you can see that it says that required properties input complete. So I will press this run. So now you can see that my results are available, but sometimes you see the warning that it says that results are available with warning. So in this case you have to some binary interactions are missing. So you have to estimate this binary interaction. So for this you have to go to this methods, and after this you have to select this methods, and after selecting this method you have to go to the parameters, and in parameters you have to select this binary interaction, and from because you have selected this NRTL1 as a property method, you have to double click on it. After double clicking on this NRTL, you will see that you will a tab like this will open, and from here you have to estimate it using Unifact. When you will select this tick or estimate with Unifact, then you will press run, and after pressing run you will see that your results are available. Now because in my case because I had selected this already, or I had done this simulation already, so this practice didn't happen on my when I had simulated this. After this directly go to the simulation environment, because I am having no reactions. So the first thing on the model palette I see is a mixer. So I will drag this mixer. After this I have to specify two material streams that are my feed streams. So I will specify stream 1 and another stream as stream 2. After this I will select another material stream as my product stream. After selecting my product stream, I will specify the temperature, pressure and flow rates. So the temperature was given to us of first stream was 25 degrees, and the pressure was 5 bar. Sorry, 5 atm, and the total flow rate was given to us 100 kg mole per hour. So I will select here molar flow rate, molar flow. It has already been selected over here. The ethanol was 80 kg mole per hour, and water was ethanol is 20 and water was 80. So I will press this next to go to my second stream. So here I will specify the temperature as 25 degree. The pressure was again 5 atm. I'm again and again saying bar, it was 5 atm. So the total flow rate was again 100 kg mole per hour, and here ethanol was 40 kg mole, and water was 60 kg mole. So now you can see that I can press this run button. So I will directly press this run button. So so you can see that my results are available. So I will go to the main flow sheet and second click to see my results. Here in the problem statement we have asked to find the molar flow rate. So we have got the molar flow rate as 200 kg mole per hour, and you can find the molar fractions, that is 0.7 and 0.3% of water. So you can find many other properties as you can see here, you can find the mass density, mass entropy, molar density, many other properties, or you can find any other property by writing it over here. So in this video we see that how we can simulate a mixer. Now in the same video, in the second part, I will show you that how we can simulate a splitter as well. So the second thing in the mixer splitters is a splitter. I will drag it. I had dragged a splitter, so now I have to again give a material stream. So the splitter is the inverse of a mixer. It has a feed stream that is split into 2, 3 or any amount of numbers that you are required to split the feed stream into. So splitter has a feed stream, and this feed stream can be split into 2, 3, 4 or any other number of splitted streams as you want. So now I will press this my feed stream. I will give it temperature again as 25. You can give any other temperature, pressure as 5, so I will give it as 5 bar. The total flow rate I can take as 250, any flow rate you can give, and here I will select as molar flow 100 kg mole of water. I am taking as pose values, so 150 kg mole of ethanol. So after this I will press this next button. So as soon I will press this next button, so it will say that what is the split fraction. So now I have to specify a split fraction. So I want my 0.30% of my stream to go into. So now after pressing next, you can see that I have to specify split fraction. So I want my 30% stream feed stream to go into S5. So I will select as 0.3 over here, and now you can see that I can see this run button. I can run the simulation. So I had select 0.3, so the Aspen Plus will automatically calculate that my, as I am having only 2 streams, so I had select given the value of S5 as 0.3, so it will automatically calculate the S6 or assume the stream S6 value as 0.7. So now I will press this run. So you can see that my results are available. After going to the main flow sheet, I will go to the main flow sheet, second click on S5 and see the results. Here you can see that I am having mole flow as 75, because 30% of 250 kg is 75. So you can see that my S5 has 75 kg mole, and we can go to the S6. So I can press the results. When I see the results, so 175. So 250 75% is 70% is 175. So in this video I had shown you that how we can simulate a mixer and a splitter in Aspen Plus. I hope you like the video. Inshallah meet you in another video. Assalamu alaikum.